to our Lego world. Today, we're building something super fun and super relaxing. Get comfy, enjoy the Lego sounds, and let's build together. Yay! In this opening sequence, the sealed Lego City vehicle set is carefully presented and inspected from every angle on a clean studio table. The builder methodically examines the front, sides, and back of the box, confirming its pristine condition and intact seal. Each movement is slow and deliberate, establishing a calm, precise workflow. The sequence concludes as the hands move into position at the top flap, signaling the transition from inspection to the start of the unboxing process. This segment focuses on opening the Lego City vehicle set with care and precision. The seal is peeled away cleanly, the top flap is opened, and the contents are revealed exactly as packed from the factory. The instruction manual is removed and placed neatly aside, followed by the careful extraction of each sealed Lego bag. The sequence ends with a clear check of the empty box, confirming that all components are ready for the next stage of the build. The components are now carefully prepared for assembly. All sealed Lego bags are organized and clearly numbered. The instruction manual is opened and reviewed, and the first bag is selected and opened with precision. Each piece is poured out methodically, ensuring a clean workspace and a smooth transition into the building process, setting the foundation for an orderly and satisfying Lego City vehicle set assembly. The process demonstrates how the vehicle's main structure comes together methodically, beginning with installing axles and wheels, confirming smooth movement, then building upward with floor panels, side walls, and front components until the model achieves a stable, balanced form that clearly resembles a complete Lego City vehicle base, ready for the next stage of detailing. process demonstrates how the vehicle's main structure comes together methodically, beginning with installing axles and wheels, confirming smooth movement, then building upward with floor panels, sidewalls, and front components until the model achieves a stable, balanced form that clearly resembles a complete LEGO City vehicle base. Ready for the next stage of detailing? Are you enjoying the LEGO sounds? If you love LEGO builds like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. More fun LEGO builds are coming. Now let's keep building. Yay!
Here is the current state of the build. We're getting much closer to the final design.
In this segment, the build transitions into fine detailing as interior control, steering, transparent windshield, and lighting elements are carefully installed. Each precise click enhances realism, gradually transforming the structure into a recognizable LEGO City vehicle that now looks nearly complete, polished, and ready for its final assembly stage.
The final details of the rear structure are completed by adding the symmetrical red light elements, snapping them firmly into place.
The final stage focuses on adding the last accessories and refining details to complete the LEGO City vehicle. Small parts are unpacked, aligned, and pressed into place with precision, ensuring symmetry and stability. Stickers are applied carefully according to the instructions, connections are checked, and the finished model is inspected from the builder's point of view. The sequence concludes with a slow rotation of the completed vehicle and a final confirmation by opening the instruction manual to the last page, clearly signaling that the build is complete. The final assembly stage completes the build by constructing and securing the vehicle roof, locking it firmly into place with satisfying clicks. The last small details are added, and the finished model is carefully inspected from every angle, front, back, and both sides, to ensure symmetry, clean connections, and stability. The sequence concludes with a clear tabletop and a fully assembled LEGO City vehicle, visually confirming that no pieces remain and the build is complete. The finished LEGO City vehicle is carefully centered and presented under soft studio lighting, allowing its form, textures, and functional details to stand out clearly. Subtle movements demonstrate wheel functionality and highlight the front, cabin, and rear sections in close-up views.
And
The
here is the
presentation
finished LEGO
concludes
City
with
vehicle.
a clean, balanced
The details on
composition
the front,
that
especially
includes
the
the
headlights
instruction
and the
manual,
grille,
visually reinforcing the complete journey from sealed box to fully assembled model. Yay! We finished our LEGO build! Thank you for watching and building with us. Please subscribe, because subscribe it's free. Like the video, and tell us which LEGO set you want next. See you in the next LEGO adventure. Bye-bye.